he doing?
Do you guys see that? Yeah, she says I'm the one that snores. Just listen to this. She's so adorable though. I love her to death. My sleeping beauty. So guys, it's about 6:29 Sunday morning. Oh, look who's just waking up. Probably not. Probably still want to go back to sleep. Did she just fall back asleep? Give her a minute, guys. Takes her a while to get up. Anyways, we're gonna give her a minute to get up and then we're gonna show you our Sunday morning routine.
He's snoring.
I did. I got you on camera.
I can't see.
You don't have your contacts on, but it's alright. But I'm telling you, guys, she thinks I'm lying. I got her on tape, snoring, and the proof is
He's
in
the big snorer. And he gets me on camera snoring first? That's so not fair. He's the big snorer.
Guys, I do not snore. I don't know where she gets that from. I'm like the silent sleeper here.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Oh my God. You guys, you watch.
Watch. Where's your proof? Like, I got you on tape.
I have yours recorded.
Where?
On my phone.
That could be anyone, guys. That could be anyone.
Okay, you watch.
She
one
always
day.
she
You
always
watch.
says that she's gonna put down recording that I was snoring, and I don't even see myself. That could be anything online. You could download a person snoring.
No.
Does that make sense?
No. 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 Not on voice recording.
Just admit it. You're a tip snorer.
Oh gosh. You just watch. You watch. I'm gonna get you. Oh man. You got me on camera snoring first. You watch. You guys, you watch. He's the hugest snorer. Oh man. I'm gonna turn the light on one of these days. And
You wish I snored. There's nothing wrong with that, babe. What's wrong with snoring? It's just tells me you're having a good night's sleep. That's it.
It's just the fact that you are the biggest snorer, and the very first video we do about a morning routine or something, you get me on camera snoring first when you're the hugest snorer. It's so not fair.
Just get over it. You know, you just gotta admit it.
Oh gosh.
It's no big deal, babe. You guys, everyone, I guess everyone snores in some way.
Yeah,
Just some
I'm
people
sure
are just
everyone
louder
does.
snorers, and you know, I think you're a loud snorer, and
You're way louder. You're way louder.
it's what's the score right now? It's 1-0. Favor Team Luke.
Oh gosh. Okay,
I don't know
you
where
want to
your
start
proof.
that?
Where's your proof at? Like
You want to start that?
I got my proof right here, guys. You saw it. You all saw it. I started this recording right while she was still asleep. So
Okay.
score 4-0.
We'll see. You started this, so.
Well, right. So you ready to show them the rest of our morning routine other than your snoring routine?
My snoring routine. Oh gosh. That's a great way to start the morning routine, huh?
Yeah.
My snoring.
I thought I'll catch you on tape, get all the raw footage of how you sleep and snore, and just make
You
it
make
real.
it sound like I always do that.
I've been telling you for
always
years.
Snore.
I've been telling you for years.
Don't lie to them.
I wake up because the snoring gets me.
That's such a lie.
I'm not.
Such a lie.
I'm not.
Don't lie.
I'm not.
Don't lie to them.
Guys.
Don't lie to them.
She says she thinks she does the snore, but I just proved. I don't know. Countlessly, I've proved to her that she snores. But today is a big one.
He's lying. I do not snore every day and wake him up. That's a lie.
I do wake up because you snore, honey. What?
That's a lie.
How do you know? I wake up, you're still asleep. So how do you know I'm lying?
It's never been. You've never said, "Oh, I woke up and I wake up in the night all the time."
Because I know
you'll
you'll feel bad. I know how you get. You'll feel bad for me. Like I don't want to make you feel bad.
That's a lie. It's not because I'm snoring so loud.
There is few things that wake me up, really. During fantasy football season, I probably don't get enough sleep because I'm thinking about my team and trying to pick up people from the waiver.
Yeah, you're always waking
And other
up.
than fantasy football, your snoring is only the thing that gets me up.
What about having to pee 10 times a night?
Well, that's natural. It's if you gotta pee, you gotta pee. There's nothing. You gotta wake up and pee.
It's not because of my snoring.
But there's only two things in life that keep me awake.
Oh my gosh.
My fantasy team and this girl right here.
Whatever.
I still love you.
One day you gotta tell the people the truth. You've gotta tell the people the truth.
All right, guys, we'll catch you in a few minutes. I'll get her out of bed because she's still, Are you awake yet?
Are you gonna start telling them the truth when we get up?
What truth? I'm telling you the truth. Guys, we'll catch you soon. Got some new subscribers. Coming little by little. Keep coming, guys. Keep coming.
Water with lavender. Isn't that what Luke's Salon 2.0 uses?
Hey. Yep, Barber Shop 2.0.
Is he still in business?
Always in business. You tell your girls yet about me?
They're all kind of skeptical.
I do the best hair. Just tell them. I got all the good stuff.
I told them you have the stuff to nourish their hair. Hi guys, so we're getting ready to start at-home workout here, and that's the last part of our morning routine. And oh, what is he doing? Caught you. I can see you. Anyway, just ignore him being silly. You guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe, guys.
And we'll see you guys soon. Bye.